On installation day, our team arrives with all the specialized equipment and materials needed to complete your ProFlow gutter protection system in just one day. The first step to installing your new gutter system is to remove the old gutters. Our team will work diligently to remove your old gutter material while taking extra care not to damage your home siding, roofing, and landscaping. We use only heavyweight aluminum coil stock, and each new seamless gutter is custom fabricated on-site to the exact length needed for your home. Designing your new gutters to fit perfectly requires the use of all the correct accessories. This includes stamping out each downspout outlet, crimping each end cap, fastening each corner piece, and sealing every necessary piece from the inside. We guarantee long-term leak protection by using only premium Turpolymer sealant. This product is designed to expand and contract while maintaining a perfect seal season after season during extreme hot and cold temperatures. We fasten our gutters with industrial hidden hangers, which incorporate a steel bracket and a long stainless steel screw, which secures each gutter run firmly to your home. The secret to this revolutionary fastener is the screw goes in on a slight angle, giving it tremendous strength. Our installers will hang each gutter with just a slight slope, allowing water to run to the downspout. We use more forever hangers than needed, and we place the hangers closer together. This is to ensure the gutter slope is consistent and requires no maintenance in the future. We fabricate new downspouts to take the water away, carefully positioning each one to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. We add extensions to each spout so the water runs away from your home and into your landscaping instead of right into your basement. Once the gutters are secure, we will install the gutter guards. These coverings help keep the gutter clear of debris, such as leaves and sticks, ensuring that water flows freely through your gutters and away from your home. Once all materials have been installed, our team will ensure the area around your home is completely free of debris. Choosing our ProFlow gutter protection system is a great way to increase resale value, prevent maintenance, and protect your home from severe weather. Talk to one of our gutter experts today to learn more about what Pro Home Improvement can do for your home's gutters.